Hey everybody, this is Mr. Wong. This is the special assignment or the assignment Mr. Ripard was talking about in his Jupiter grade blast about how there's assignments you can do to up your final grades. Um, Let me set the rules and parameters. First of all, this current video is sent out for photo 1 and photo 2. Um, and how this can help your grades or might help your grades is um, if you do the assignment I am asking you to do, you will be getting at least a letter grade boost. Meaning, if you're getting a B, you go up to an A for your third quarter grade. Now, some of you go, well, how does this help me in my final grade? Well, if you are getting a 91, that's still an A for third quarter, and you do the extra assignment I'm giving you right now, and you do it well, it's not just nilly-willy this, you actually have to give the effort. I will boost your third quarter grade so that it becomes like a 99. So if you are getting a B, a likelihood of your averaging out getting an A, a low A, is higher. But for some of you, if you're getting a C already and I boost your grade up to a B, it could also mean that your grade might not change by much. So understand that this assignment is be done to boost your grade. It is an extra assignment that I am taking very seriously, so that if you don't like your final grades, definitely take part in this. Okay, here's one of the major things I'm looking for. You make it on deadline. There was no excuses, no, well, I whatever reason, missed deadline. No, for this to work is for you guys to take it seriously, meaning you need to make your deadline. Deadline is next week, Friday, May 1st. Okay, with that settled, here's the assignment. I'm asking all of you photo kids, okay, to go back. Doesn't matter what level you are, but if you haven't ever looked at this site, if you're photo 2, you've probably seen this site before. Go to Scholastic's Art and Writing Awards. For your assignment for my extra, this assignment is you need to create a 8 photo portfolio. It's actually kind of easy, but you have to come and approach it with several things. One, these pictures need to be shot within your home. 2, I need to know what your theme is. 3, I need an explanation of your photos, and I need titles for all your photos. 4, has to be in on time. No delays. No, well, I was busy. No. If this is something you're seriously wanting to do, this will boost your grade at least, from that B to an A. I would highly recommend most of you check your grades first before you decide that you're jumping in just to do this. This, again, I am boosting your third quarter grade. Some of you with the boost, your final grade will even change. Some of you might not go very far. Keep that in mind. Okay? So, for your ideas, as I said, it needs to follow a theme. So one singular theme that goes throughout your photos. If you look, these are some of the award-winning ones from Hawaii from the past. They're kind of weird, they're kind of strange. You can feel free to look at it yourself. Like this guy, Tyler. He did a series called Reflections of the Future. Okay, that's his portfolio title. You need a title for your portfolio. All right. This is the title of his picture. But the same guy, Tyler, he has another picture. This is also part of his portfolio. It's, called Solutions. So if you think about what his whole total of his idea is, it's only 8 photos, and each photo is talking about how a person goes from one way to the other. Okay. If you want to go to this artandwriting.org, you can hit explore online galleries. Okay. And then from there you can go select works. You can go photography. You can go Hawaii only. You can go all years. You can see what kind of results you got. There's art portfolio here if you want. Hit results. That Tyler guy shows up. Okay. So there's some results. This is only 15 out of 74. The rest of Tyler's photos are here. So his whole series of work is how this guy went from one thing to another, right? So again, your assignment, you're to create a portfolio of photos. 8 photos. They need to all make sense together. They need to work together in a way for the same theme. So if your theme is like that guy Tyler, he's not my student, but I keep on bringing him up because he has all his pictures up. It's about a guy growing old and all the things, he's reflecting upon his future. So something's happened to this guy. It looks like he lost a leg, and and all these what looks very negative. The guy considered, if you look at the pictures, it's black and white, goes to color, storytelling. If you've been following along and actually doing the assignments for the last couple of weeks, the enrichments, you'll realize that everything I brought up so far, it relates to this kind of stuff. So by next week, Friday will be the 1st. Okay? The 1st of May. I would like to see your 8 photos, a Google Doc with the title of your portfolio, how each of the pictures relate to your portfolio idea, and also every photo needs a title. Okay? That's it. And then after I receive it, I will grade it, and then I will be changing Q3 grades. So like I said, don't like the B in your Q3. Okay, I'll up it by 1 letter grade. That's it. For some of you, this will help tremendously. For some of you, this will not make a difference. So again, think about what you want to do. I'm giving you an option, and that's it. And same with photo 2. For you guys, this is just practice again. Actually, for all you guys, this is just practice. So, time to make good on what you've done all year. Good luck, and I'm hoping to see some submissions. That's it, guys. See all your portfolios next week. Thanks.